Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Viki application using your mobile device. To log out of Viki account using the Viki app, first of all, open up the Viki application on your device and make sure that you're in the home page. From the home page, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Within the Me menu, tap the three dots at the top right. Scroll all the way down from the Settings tab and tap on Log Out. Tap the Log Out button once again to confirm your action. Once logged out, you will be returned to the Viki home screen and you will need to log in again to access the content. So that's how you easily sign out or log out of Viki application. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wake&Tech for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.